From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 10th question of NECO 2025 is on set theory. It says the universal set mu is a set of all integers, and the subset p, q, and r of mu are given as follows. P are those x such that x is strictly greater than 0. Q are those x such that x is odd. And R are those x such that x is between -5 and 5 inclusive. We are asked to look for Q intersection R. So it will be wise to open up what each of the sets contains. So the universal set mu are integers. Remember integers, they are those x in integers. Remember definition of integers, those numbers that are minus -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it continues. P are those x so that they are greater than 0 and they are integers. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Q are those s that are integers but are odd. Remember, odd numbers, they are defined as 2n plus 1, where n is an integer. So if n is minus, for instance, if n is -1, 2 times -1 is -2 plus 1 is -1. If n is -2, -4 plus 1 is -3. So this is ... -3, -1, 1, 3, and so on. And so R is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we are asked to look for Q intersection R, meaning what are those things that you can see in Q and you can also see in R. Remember, this list is unending as long as it's odd. There's -5, there's -7, there's -9, and so on. And there's 5, 7, 9. And so if you look at this and this, you agree with me that you will see -5, see -3, see -1, you see 1, you see 3, you see 5, and that's all. So the correct answer is E. Thank you for watching.